Hi, this is Dr. Doug Smale from CDOCS, and today's Tip of the Day video is on our surgical instruments for our surgical kits, and this is on the Prichard elevator and retractor. Now, this is a real foundational instrument for what we do, and it's part of our surgical kits for C1, C2, and with the advanced grafting courses. So, as you can see here on the left side, what you're seeing is a nice retractor part of that instrument. And on the right side, you see the typical curved sharp area that you would have with a flap elevator. So again, we use these in our courses. If you want to learn how to use them hands-on with pig jaws, etc., come to one of our courses and we'll teach you how to do that. Now, we're going to look at this as far as how you'd use this to elevate a flap. And you can see here, we've made a flap for the implant area for number 30. And typically, as you made the incision, this is a papilla-sparing incision, you're going to get that sharp area down. I usually like to start right on the crest and then go ahead and start inching it anteriorly and posteriorly, moving it as you see to elevate that flap and bring it down all the way down to the buccal surface. And again, once you've done that, you can then flip that over and use the retractor side. That works great. So the next thing you can do is use it for a measurer. And again, if you're thinking about using a membrane, whether it be a collagen membrane or a non-resorbable membrane, the Prichards that we get for our surgical kits at CDOCS have millimeter measuring lines on them, as you see here in the photo. So then you can take a measurement by eye, and then you can bring that back out of the mouth and use this, prepare your membrane, cut it to the right size before you bring the membrane back into the mouth to use for whatever grafting procedure that you're doing. The other thing that you can use them for, once you've cut that membrane appropriately and you're ready to bring it back to the mouth, you can use this to tuck the membrane. Now, on the top picture, I'm tucking it over on the palatal side, that sort of thinner part. And on the bottom picture, I'm using it to tuck in on the buccal side. Again, I'm getting that membrane. This is one of those OsteoShield membranes from DS. So I hope you really like this video, and we'll see you at a CDOCS course. Thank you.